కేక్ డిజైనింగ్ కోసం ప్రత్యేకమైన కోర్సులు చేయనక్కర్లేదు, అభిరుచి ఉంటే చాలంటూ ఉన్నారు నమ్రత. మరి ఆ విశేషాలు ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Actually, I started it during my education. I was doing my engineering and then I used to bake for my friends. And then they were like, why don't you start putting up in the school canteen, college canteen? And I started selling in college and then slowly my friends started buying off me. And it was a part-time, and then once I finished my education, now it's full-time. We specialize in biscuits, so biscuits and cookies, and we also do cupcakes. So we've been doing a lot of corporate orders and wedding orders. Mostly, most people who order from us are for birthday parties. Actually, we start every few days we start having a fusion of products. So here we've started this new cake. It's called the biscuit cake. Cake, marshmallow and chocolate coating. So this has become quite popular now. Another one of our varieties are the biscuits. These biscuits are called the shortbread cookies. Another thing is we specialize in vegetarian products. All our biscuits and cookies are vegetarian, and cakes, like we have all these mint cakes and chocolate cakes that are vegetarian products. Yes. Another thing in the Indian market is most of the cakes are syrup cakes. As in, even if we have red velvet cake, here we have this one, and it's not like, if you see, it's not soaked in sugar syrup. It's got rich cream, and another thing is we make our own butter at home. So that's another reason why our cakes are this soft. Don't compromise on the quality of butter. Just use the highest standard of butter. They range from 50 to around 300. These are for the cupcakes, and layer cakes start from 500 to 1000. Yeah, don't sit at home. Whatever your passion is, just follow that. Yes.
Bakism we started about 2 years ago. Me and my mom, we started baking at home. She used to bake for us for school. So, over the years she's perfected those recipes and friends started asking. So she started baking professionally. So our best product is our jar cakes. These sell a lot. We have different flavors. We do chocolate, Nutella, and then according to seasons we do mango souffles, we do blueberry cheesecakes in the jars, and then we do the same as cupcakes. We also do our best is chocolate tarts, so these are also very hot selling. Then we specialize in theme fondant cakes. So you have a theme, a birthday party, a child's, a baby shower, so we do theme cakes according to those. The client sends us a picture and then we can replicate that for you in a cake form. We have varieties, these are push-up pops, very cute, very colorful. We did these for Holi and they sold really well. Cupcakes we have red velvet, we have Ferrero Rocher, we have chocolate Nutella, we have tiramisu, we have chocolate mint, we have caramel, cookie and cream. Cakes may all the same flavors, and then we do some exotic ones like strawberry cheesecake, Nutella cheesecake, blueberry, or depending on the customer. We do puddings also, Oreo pudding, mocha mousse. Our favorite their product is jar cake. We've done them for baby announcements, for Rakhi gifts, for wedding announcements, for birthday cakes. I sort of work as the business development head. I focus on the decor, the marketing, the presentation. I design the logo and all of that. Mama's the baking, the creative head sort of. She takes care of the taste, the flavor, the quality control. That's her department. don't hesitate because you're women. I think we have better capabilities than men and we can do better. Go out and do what you have to. Don't hesitate because you're women.
చూసారుగా ఎంతో రుచికరమైన కుకీస్, పేస్ట్రీస్,